companies coming to us, they're experts in their field, whether it's retail, food, logistics, healthcare. What we're here to do is offer our expertise in drone delivery and marry the two and bring it to our customers in a seamless way. They're coming to us for our expertise when it comes to our aircraft. We've built an incredible technology platform, but bringing together a collection of partners that not only see the value for ourselves, but our customers. In fact, for the world, there's incredible value here. We know we can't do it alone. So for Wing, it will be incredibly important for us to integrate ourselves into existing value chains. We found that we can take one of the world's largest logistic platforms and bring drone delivery into that. This will take time. It is something that we realize will be multiple phases, but it is something that we have to start finding integration points that will allow us to turn this on at scale. And what we're doing is really starting from the beginning, sitting down and designing the right points where Wing can integrate and also find ways that we can enhance what our customers are doing today.